Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to put your device on the lock screen. To do it, you can click the start button right here, then go to power options and select lock. And this way you will put your device on the lock screen. If you want to do it without accessing the taskbar and the start menu, you can use the shortcut of Windows and L buttons. So just press Windows L simultaneously, and this way you will also put your device on the lock screen. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.